Hey, Jackie Jane here, and I just wanted to share an edit with you using one of my actions from the Wonder collection. So with this image, I really wanted to make the greens a bit richer and also just kind of have her stand out just a little bit more. So in the Wonder collection, we're going to use the Breezy Winter. Go ahead and open up our layers on this side so we can make some adjustments. So the richness is a little bit much on this, so we're just going to bring back the overall opacity first. And now I'm going to grab my paintbrush and we're just going to mask her back in, bring in that brightness back to her. There we go. And now I'm kind of adjusting the opacity again to about 55%. There's the contrast layer. And then we've got the tones layer right there. This is where it's adding that richness. So I'm going to just adjust it a little bit and reduce that opacity to about 90%. So those are the individual layers within that action that you can adjust, or go to the main group of the action and adjust it there. Do about 100%. Go ahead and merge our layers together. I grab my burn tool, just do a little bit of burning right below. And we've got before and after. Really quick, easy edit. Again, that was with the Wonder collection, Breezy Winter. Thank you.